Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey carrying a cake. Do you want to know why Bluey is holding a cake so carefully today? Can you guess? Is it for a birthday? For mom? Or maybe just a little treat for dad? Imagine a round cake in your hands, soft and sweet. What flavor do you think it is? It was a bright morning in the kitchen. On the table sat a small cake, frosted with cream and topped with strawberries. Mom smiled. "Be gentle, Bluey. This cake is special." Bluey nodded, lifting it carefully. "I'll carry it outside." "Children, can you pretend to hold a cake with two hands, walking slowly? Don't let it wobble." Bingo bounced beside her. "Where are we taking it?" Bluey whispered. "To Dad in the garden. Let's surprise him." They stepped onto the grass, sunshine warm on their fur. Bingo sniffed. It smells yummy." "Kids, take a big pretend sniff with Bingo." "Ah, sweet and creamy." The breeze brushed past, making the cake tilt. "Steady, steady," Bluey murmured. "Children, stretch your arms out like Bluey, balancing left and right. Can you keep it steady?" Dad was watering the flowers when he noticed them. "What's this?" he asked. Bluey grinned. "A cake, just for you." Bingo clapped her paws. "Like this video and subscribe my channel." They sat on a blanket under the tree. Bluey placed the cake down gently. Mom said, "Well done, Bluey. You carried it so carefully." Dad reached for a slice, but then, flutter, a butterfly flew past. Bingo giggled and chased it, bumping the blanket. The cake shook. "Children, put your hands on your cheeks." "Oh dear, will it fall?" Bluey steadied it quickly. "Phew," she sighed. Mom chuckled. "That was close." Dad laughed. Even adventures find their way into snack time. Finally, everyone calmed down. Bluey cut a slice for Bingo. The cake was soft, the frosting smooth. Dad closed his eyes after a bite. "Perfect," he said. Mom added, "Every piece tastes like love." "Children, pretend to take a small bite now, sweet and gentle." Bluey felt proud. She had carried the cake, kept it safe, and shared it with her family. Bingo licked her lips. "This is the best cake day ever." As the afternoon sun glowed, the last crumbs were gone, but smiles stayed bright. Friends, wave your hands slowly with Bluey, Bingo, Mom, and Dad, sending love as warm as cake from their family to you.